Hello, I'm CoinRingMaker from CoinRingMaker.com. CoinRingMaker.com is my small business. It's a one-man business where I take coins like this and make them into rings like this. And being a one-man business, it's really hard to get an outside perspective on how things are running and really like what my customers' issues and problems are. So I'm making this video today reaching out to try and get some customer feedback and see if there's anything I can improve on my end to make my customers' experience even better. So if you have a few minutes, I do invite you to visit coinringmaker.com and just click around a little bit. Some things I'm interested in are your reactions to the price of the rings, the navigation of the website, like how it's laid out, how easy it is to make a purchase, why and when you would leave the website if you decide not to make a purchase, like what's really that speed bump for you. So just like act like you're buying something and see if like the checkout process has an issue that prevents you from making an order. I have a conversion rate of about 1%, and I'm really trying to increase that because I can get people to the website, but there seems to be something there that is turning people off and making them want to leave. So I'm trying to figure out what that is. If you have any suggestions after checking out the website, I'd love to hear those as well. And if you have any questions while you're looking through the website that aren't really answered, I'd like to add a Q&A section as well so we can easily answer the questions that come up frequently. So if you'd like to help me out with this, again, just visit coinringmaker.com and kind of practice like you're a customer and come back here and comment on this video and let me know what your feedback is. I really do appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.